Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project Automatic School Bell with Adjustable Timings, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Have you ever seen a school bell ring automatically without anyone having to do it? That's exactly what this automatic bell system does. It's like a smart bell that knows precisely when to ring. You simply set the time once, and it rings for classes, breaks, and at the end of the day. No one has to remember, it does it all by itself. There's even an option to add a small screen to display the current time and the next bell schedule, making everything clear and simple. This project can be built by engineering students, especially those in the electronics, electrical, or computer science fields, as well as by hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts interested in automation. School technicians or staff can also implement it to automate bell systems. Additionally, it's suitable for electronics clubs and workshops as a hands-on learning project. Ready to find out how it works? Here's our setup. You need to set the year and the timing for the school bell to ring automatically. As you can hear, the buzzer sounds at the set time. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can build this system with very few components. Let's take a look at what you need. Arduino Uno acts as the brain of the system, controlling all operations such as checking the time, ringing the bell, and displaying information. The DS3231 RTC module is a real-time clock that keeps track of the exact time, ensuring the bell rings at the correct moment. A 16:2 LCD display with I2C shows the current time, date, and bell schedule, making it easy for users to check the status. 4x4 matrix keypad allows users to input and adjust the bell timings, day, date, and time settings. 5-volt SPDT relay works as a switch to turn the electric bell on and off when it's time to ring. A buzzer can be used as an alternative or for testing purposes instead of the main bell. 9-volt, 1 A adapter powers the Arduino Uno and the entire system. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the Arduino board, RTC module, display, keypad, relay, and buzzer on the breadboard. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code for the Arduino Uno board using the Arduino IDE. First, define all the header files, then define the pins to which the peripherals are connected. Next, define the symbols on the buttons of the keypad. In the setup function, begin the serial monitor and initialize all the peripherals. In the infinite loop function, carry out all the processing, such as taking input from the keypad, printing on the LCD screen, and activating the buzzer automatically at the specified time. Finally, select the correct port and board to upload the code. When you enter the time, you'll hear the buzzer when the set time arrives. Voila! It works! What did you learn? Use a real-time clock for accurate timekeeping. Control a bell using a relay. Take input from a keypad to set time and bell schedules. Interested in developing your own automatic school bell with adjustable timings device? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.